Windows Update error 0x8070D. The data is invalid. Your update failed and you have no idea why. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it, step by step. Here's what you're seeing right now. Windows Update says some files are missing or have problems. The error code is 0x8070D. This means the data Windows needs to install the update is corrupted or incomplete. So, what does this error actually mean? Under the hood, 0x8070D is Windows error code number 13, called error invalid data. The component-based servicing engine tried to validate your update files, but the data failed its integrity check. This affects Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows Server. Now let's look at what actually causes this error. There are 7 main culprits: a corrupted update cache in the software distribution folder, broken cryptographic files in the catroot2 folder, a damaged Windows component store, registry corruption from a failed update, incompatible drivers bundled with the cumulative update, third-party antivirus software blocking the update process, and finally, insufficient disk space causing incomplete downloads. Let's start fixing this. Fix number 1. Restart your computer. Not sleep mode, a full restart. Then go to Settings, then Windows Update, and check for updates again. This clears temporary file locks and stuck service states. It works about 30% of the time. Fix number 2, temporarily disable your third-party antivirus. Open your antivirus software and turn off real-time protection, web shield, and download protection. Then, retry Windows Update. If it works, your antivirus was interfering. Make sure to re-enable all protections immediately after testing. Fix number 3. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. The tool will automatically reset services, clear temporary files, and fix common registry issues. This resolves about 40% of cases. Fix number 4, and this is the most effective one. Clear the Windows Update cache manually. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Stop the Windows Update service, bits, cryptographic services, and Windows installer. Then delete everything inside the software distribution folder and the catroot2 folder. Finally, restart all the services and reboot your PC. This forces Windows to download fresh copies of the update files. Success rate is around 65%. Fix number 5, run the system file checker. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type sfc/scano. This scans all protected system files and repairs any corruption it finds. If it says files were repaired, restart and try updating again. If it says it could not repair some files, move on to the next fix. Fix number 6, repair the Windows image with DISM. This is the big one. Run DISM Online Cleanup Image Restore Health. This downloads clean system files directly from Microsoft and repairs the component store. After DISM finishes, run sfc scano one more time to pick up any remaining repairs. This step has a 70 to 85% success rate, and it fixes the root cause that SFC alone cannot reach. If nothing else worked, here's the nuclear option. Perform an in-place upgrade. Download the Windows ISO from Microsoft, run setup.exe from inside Windows, and choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. This completely replaces all system files while preserving your documents, photos, and installed programs. The success rate is over 95%. You will not lose your data. Now, let's make sure this never happens again. Keep at least 10 gigabytes of free space on your system drive. Never force shut down your PC while updates are running. Use only one antivirus suite at a time. Avoid registry cleaners. They often cause this error. And run sfc scano once a month, especially after unexpected crashes or power failures. And that's how you fix Windows Update error 0x8070D. 7 methods, up to 95% success rate, and 0 files lost. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more fix guides, and drop a comment below telling me which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.